This is our factory, and here all is the auto case machines for the plastic cup and the paper cups, injection cup packing machine. The machine ready to Turkey. We pack all the machine. We will pack into the wooden box. This is the two blade packaging machines, which for the speed maximum 30 bags per minute. And here all is the semi-auto plastic lid packaging machines, paper lid packing machine, and automatic plastic lid packaging machines. We have the CNC. This is the first workshop. Our factory already 25 years. We do automation for our customers. This is the prototype. This is not a finished plastic bag cup packaging machine, which maximum speed 15 bags per minute. Our factory already 25 years. We sold many machines to Mexico, American, and Europe, Turkey, Russia, Yunnan, Indonesia, Thailand. Not finished machine. This is the machine. This machine is to Japan for the plastic lids automation line. Which pack the lids into the bag and into the carton horizontally. Here is the second floor. All is packaging machine. Because of the CNY Chinese New Year holiday, we have sent many machines, so have some space empty. The automation line for our customer. This side all is plastic cup packaging machines. You can see the weight detecting for the plastic cup. All is the machine. Our factory is the biggest factory for the package machine this type in the world.